Hey creative cousins, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Renita, aka Lene with Lene Creations, and we got another box. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. So let's get started. Okay, so before we get started, I promise my channel is not every video is an unboxing. It might look like that, but it just happens to fall that way. But I'm just relaying all the information that I know. I'm not a gatekeeper. I'm gonna share what I know, what I don't know, what I'm finding out, everything. So with that being said, I have a super small haul. Super small, I promise it's super small. But it's from marinevinylfabric.com. If you need solid colored vinyls for bag making, and again, I'm going to repeat that, for bag making, use marinevinylfabric.com. They have different colors and they match up pretty well with, you know, whatever you may need. If you're matching it up with a printed vinyl, or you're doing maybe a pouch paired with a bag or a wallet or something like that, it pairs up really well. I will say that I got a yard of each of these colors, because why not just have them on hand for if I do one project, I might have that same color to do a smaller project, or even the same project, who knows. But yeah, I promise they have a really good quality. There's been companies where I have purchased and it was kind of misleading on the website that is for bag making or craft projects, and you're like, okay, that sounds like it's pretty good, and then you get it and it's super thin, so it's not for bag making. Maybe it's for making hair bows or maybe accents on clothing or something like that. It's super thin, not really for bag making. But that's neither here nor there. It happens. You live and you learn and you move on. But I do suggest Marine Vinyl Fabric for solid color vinyls. Okay, with that being said, let's get into the different colors. So first color we have is this green color. It's kind of hard to explain, and you're probably not picking it up on the camera, but I would say maybe think of like AKA green. You might see a lot of AKs with this color green paired up with pink or something like that. So, but I do have a project in mind for this one. We shall see how that goes, but I picked this one because I do have something in mind. I wasn't just randomly picking colors. I was thinking of different things. Second one is this bright yellow color. Of course, spring is here, but I'm thinking more like summertime. And I think I want to do like a really pretty summertime bag with this color. It's super bright. I didn't want something that was like a pale yellow, or a yellow that's more like closer to orange. So, but this one is super bright. It's very bright and it's giving super summertime. So we shall see if I get to make a summertime bag with this color. And I can't remember if I mentioned I did get a yard of each of these. So I think you can get half yards. I'm not sure. You could have to double check on that one. But yeah, I just got a yard. And then lastly, I got this blue color. I've made a lot of blue bags with this color blue. So I just got some more because I need it, and I have a gift in mind. If they're watching this video, they probably don't even know that they're going to get a gift, but they're going to get a gift with this blue color. So that was my super short haul. I promised it was going to be short. It's short. So but yeah, that's my haul. If you need solid colored vinyls, I suggest marinevinylfabric.com, because they are actually, like, I don't know if you can, the backing and it's like a grade that you can actually make bags, not these other ones that are super thin, but use them for your solid colors. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you have some colors that you have in mind that I should probably purchase next, let me know in the comments. So until next time.